Yeah, I have a TH350 transmission that I bought through Summit Racing from TCI. Second gear went out. The transmission was bought in August of 2020 and went out the 3rd of 2021. And I contacted TCI Transmissions. Took me a little while to get through. When I got through to TCI, I told them that second gear had went out, and I also sent them pictures of the shavings in the pan, and they told me that it was for my stall converter, which I knew it wasn't. So anyway, I just went on to pull the transmission and broke it down and sent them pictures back and showed them what I found in the transmission. And this is a race transmission, and they have a 30-day warranty. And that was the end of the conversation. There was no help whatsoever. And I'm really annoyed at this because I never went through this before. I have had local transmissions built before and never had this issue. And in fact, I never had an issue at any of the transmission shops that were local when I had my transmissions done. And the only reason why I got this one from TCI, because my other shop that I normally go through, they caught COVID-19 and he had shut down. He ain't going to reopen till August. So that's how TCI came into play. And I wish I never went through them. I wish I never bought anything from them. So anyway, just let me show you what had happened. As you can see, I have a TCI oil pan. You can see that. And just to verify, this is a TCI transmission. You see it right there. Also, and what it was, their intermediate ring had cracked right at the oil hole, right in the center. And also, sprigs all busted up. And you can see, I called it a retainer plate, but there might be a different name for it. I'm just not up to the name of the transmission parts. And actually, this ring wasn't even on. This ring was actually just sitting in there. So anyway, also you can see the drum is messed up as well. TCI would not do anything about it whatsoever. I'm just so disgusted with them, and it's really nothing Summit Racing can do, but it's just not right. And so anyway, the transmission is rated at 750 horsepower. It was in a Plymouth Arrow pickup truck. It's a light truck. I have street tires on it, and I changed the rear to a 307. I was going to keep it as a street truck. No more drag racing. I'm getting too old for it. But I have my original transmission. I didn't have any issues with it. I just wanted a refreshing up transmission. And like I said, my local guy couldn't do it. That transmission been in the truck since 2009 and never had a problem out of it. That's a TH350. And I have a few other cars too as well. But anyway, because of COVID-19, so money is tight, really tight right now. So, but I'm going to show you the vehicle that it was in. That's a Plymouth Arrow pickup truck. The truck is really light. And I also have street tires. No slicks or anything like that. As you can see. You see the treads. And here's, if you can really see it on the inside. And I have gauges that cover everything. So no roll cage and none of that. Just a nice little street truck. I'm going to be a spectator in the stand. I have a couple other cars too. So anyway, TCI would not do anything about it. So I'm just telling you guys out there, beware of TCI. If you get a transmission from them, if you local, they might work with you. But if you long distance, they just don't care. And I'm angry and I'm pissed. If they were local and they did this to me and my guys would pull up their shop and we would be blowing their horn for days to get some kind of response out of them. This is not right. They should honor this. So anyway, I sent them the second pictures and showed them that it was a Sprags. Here's another picture again. And how the drum was messed up. in their intermediate ring. Their hard intermediate ring was cracked. Um, then the guy tells me 30-day warranty on a race transmission, which didn't make any sense. It just didn't make any sense. But it is what it is. I can't do anything about it. But then again, maybe I could do a Better Business Bureau thing, and that's about probably all I can do. But probably buy local, or make sure you have everything in writing and know exactly what's in the transmission that you're buying, and have a good understanding when you're sending out your money. Okay, just hope nobody else don't have to go through this. All right, TCI, I really appreciate what you did to me. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.